Is your wallet secretly hurting your back? Think that thick wallet in your back pocket is harmless? Think again. It might be quietly messing up your posture right now. Ever notice how uneven chairs throw your whole posture off? That tilt can slowly squash nerves in your lower back without you realizing. Long drives are fun until your spine twists trying to check the GPS. That slouch isn't just lazy, it sets you up for nerve pinches. Oops! One wrong bend to pick up a heavy bag can misalign your vertebrae. You won't even feel it immediately, but your nerves might. Here's what's happening inside. When your spine shifts, it squeezes the nerve passages in your lumbar region. Not fun. You might even see one leg longer than the other. That's a classic sign your hips are tilted and your body's out of balance. That nerve pinch? It zaps sharp pain, tingling, or numbness down your back, hip, and leg. Not exactly the vibe you want. Here's your quick fix. Ditch the bulky wallet, level your seat, and toss in a small cushion to keep your hips neutral and comfy. Pop in these 3 stretches daily: hamstring, piriformis, and cat-cow. They're like a mini spa for your nerves, easing pressure fast. Stand tall and smile, pain-free. Small changes stop tiny pinches from turning into big problems. Want more quick health hacks? Hit subscribe.